guys, so I'm Valerie and we are back for another tutorial. And since Father's Day is fast approaching, we thought to show you or give you a tutorial, a very easy, fun and cute Father's Day cake. So let's start right now. Okay, but so we've already got the cake, which is already filled and crumb coated and already chilled. And if you want the complete video on how to, the basic, basically, so we're gonna put the links down below. It's in the Buttercream Galaxy cake that we've done previously, but that one we started like literally from the beginning. So we're now ready to do the final coating. So we used just a plain buttercream, but we just made it slightly whiter. So if you want to make it slightly whiter, you can use any whiteners. Different brands of whiteners come in different forms. So sometimes it could be like a paste, it could be like a liquid form, or it could be a powder. The one that we use is a powder form. So if you are going to use a powder form, just make sure that dissolve that powder first in tiny droplets of water, and make sure that all those tiny powders or granules are well dissolved, because you cannot just put it or mix it straight away with your buttercream, because it wouldn't get dissolved really evenly. So there you go. So this one was with literally a normal buttercream. As you can see, this is slightly lighter, okay? And only because we just want the colors to pop later on. But up to you, you can choose whatever color that you like, or maybe whatever your dad's favorite color is. What is dad's favorite color? Your dad's favorite color? My God, you don't know?
He likes vibrant colors.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's quite common that you see him wearing orange or pink.
Okay, yeah.
He's got really fair skin, so it's okay.
Yeah. Well, yeah, my dad is as well. Like pretty much blue or in green, something like that. Okay, I mean, this cake project is really easy, and I think the kids or your siblings can actually help make this cake, so it's really nice. Okay, so I have applied my buttercream. So next would be my palette knife. Again, as we've explained in a previous video below, you don't necessarily have to do this, just work on your normal side. So I am making sure that I apply pressure all the way around. So that has been about 5 minutes, and I'm gonna check on my cake. So as I said, touch the surface. If it doesn't stick to your fingers, then that's okay. Don't mistake it with the grease. So definitely there will always be a grease there. So you might be waiting forever and saying, oh, it still sticks on my fingers, but it's just actually the grease. So if it's just the grease, that's fine. As long as it's not the buttercream, then you're good to go. But before I do that, I just basically wanted to show you all the rest of the materials or the ingredients or everything else that you are... The tools, yeah, that we are going to use. So your dad's favorite colors, okay? So we pretty much combined what our dad's favorite colors are. Okay, so those are that. And I'm going to show you the technique or the style that we're going to use.
Pages 25 and 49.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
25. Okay, so it is basically inspired by one of our books. This is our third book, Buttercream One Tier Wonders. And this is one of the projects there. So in here, as you can see, there are 2 colors, but to be able to get that perfect shape, then we use a parchment paper to cover that up and then cover the rest of it. And to give you another idea, 14. Okay, so in this one, what we use is pretty much paint. So food coloring paint with a little bit of water or rejuvenating alcohol if you are going to use it on a different project like a fondant. So same principle, we've cut out our design, and then this is what we're going to stick on our cake later on. So if you haven't got a copy, this is now available, and all the rest of our books are available. We've got 4 books now. Right, so going back, we just need to smooth this one, and we are going to use our cake cloth. So this is how it looks like, and this is reusable for as long as you can still use it. Washable, reusable. Okay, both sides you can use, and all you have to do once that is crusted, just place onto the surface, use your fingers to rub and flatten and smoothen everything. No other special tools needed, just your precious hands. Okay, so we've got a nice smooth cake, okay, as simple as that. And now this was the designs that I used, that we chose. So it will be nice to, you know, have the word dad, but if your dad's name is quite long, let's just go for dad. And then all the rest of the elements would kind of like, you know, remind of your dad. So you can personalize this. All you have to do is just put over a parchment paper or a baking sheet and then trace it over and just cut it out. So these are all the elements that we've cut out ahead of time, okay? And all you have to do is just position them. And now the fun begins. So we've got all our colors. As you can see, they're all in separate piping bags, but if you don't have as much piping bags as this, you can just have them in a bowl. It's just easier to kind of like manipulate the buttercream when they're on individual piping bags. That has been about just 3 minutes, and if I touch it, it's just firm again. So, and all you need now is toothpick. Just find like where, like an end or a corner of one of your designs, and then try to lift that up and peel. Nice. There you go. And look at that. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all the rest of it, and we are going to finish it with just a very simple dot border. And for the last time, ta-da! Okay,
I think you should stop saying ta-da from now on.
Well, I only said ta-da twice this video. Last time I think I said 4 times. But anyway, there you go. Again, this is such a very easy, fun to make, very simple cake, but very cute. And you can personalize this cake according to however your dad loves. Okay, so oops, sorry to you. Alright, so we hope you guys loved the video. If you got any requests and or questions, just leave a comment down below. As usual, we are going to put everything that you will need in the description box, and we hope you hit like and subscribe, and please do share this video. Alright, and to every like father, dad, daddy, papa, in the whole wide world, Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy, and to my brothers, Happy Father's Day.
She said everything. Bye.
Happy Father's Day to your papa.
Yes.